Let me introduce you to an amazing AI tool that offers a much better way to generate images. I'll show you how it works. This AI tool is absolutely incredible, and I've been thoroughly enjoying using it for the past few days. It's developed by the same creators of cutout.pro, a popular platform known for its image editing tools. Prome AI presents a fresh approach to AI image generation. And the best part is that you can begin using it today, absolutely for free. Prome AI boasts an easy-to-use interface that excels at sketch rendering, effortlessly transforming even simple sketches into professional-looking art and visuals. In contrast to some AI tools, Prome AI pays meticulous attention to your image prompts and references, leading to remarkably accurate outputs. To access their website, simply click on the link provided in the description. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account to ensure that all your generated content gets saved conveniently. Upon visiting the website, you'll discover a variety of tools that we'll explore together. Let's begin with sketch rendering, a remarkable feature that breathes life into your sketches, making them truly captivating. Click the Upload button and pick your image. I'll select a sketch of a girl. Below, you can choose the model or style you want for the creation. You have two options. You can leave it without specifying, or you can provide details about the desired outcome. For instance, you could mention preferences like natural, photography, or fashion drawing. Afterward, you can also indicate your preference for the mode. For instance, you could choose between precise, conceptual, or just an outline. A helpful approach is to create a text prompt that describes the desired outcome. This will guide the tool and result in improved generation. Here, you can simply type "cute girl" and then press the Enter key. After about 5 seconds, the results will be ready. Additionally, there's an erase and replace feature available, similar to the functionality of an in-painting tool. Just upload your image, and you'll notice that the eraser tool is already chosen for you. Begin by erasing the sections you want the tool to regenerate. Then write your prompt below to describe the outcome you're aiming for. I'll type "boat" and press Enter. Then it will show you the generated results. Another fascinating tool is the AI Supermodel, which I found to be quite impressive. Imagine you're looking to sell headphone on Facebook Marketplace, but you'd prefer not to show your face. No worries, as this tool can handle that for you. Upload your image. I'm going to choose a random free image. Imagine we want to sell this headphone. Simply click on the headphone, then choose your model, then hit Enter. You will get 3 generations of a model with headphone. It's also offered the Image to Sketch tool. It's fantastic, especially for individuals who are interested in learning sketching. They can utilize this tool to transform a photograph into a sketch. Prome AI also features the Background Diffusion tool. It eliminates any distracting elements from the background and replaces them with a new background of your choice. It helps by eliminating distractions and directing focus solely on the product. It has the potential to enhance the appearance of your product, which is especially advantageous when you're involved in online sales. Numerous other impressive tools and features are available on this platform. I highly recommend exploring them, as they can be incredibly beneficial in your daily life. This is particularly true if you're an artist, designer, architect, or even an entrepreneur. Prome AI also provides a subscription plan that allows for high-resolution image downloads, which enhances texture and detail in your images. However, even the free tier offers a substantial range of features. Please try out this amazing tool, and don't forget to liking and subscribing to our channel. It won't cost you a thing, but it means the world to us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.